Welcome to the AI Made Movies channel. What if I told you that the soldier of the future could be an artificial intelligence? This statement may sound like it's straight out of an imaginative science fiction novel. However, it holds substantial credibility in the world of today and is not as far off from the reality ever-evolving world as one might think. The inception of artificial intelligence has led to a revolution, bringing about drastic changes in diverse fields, and the military sector is no exception. The dawn of AI in the military goes back to the very roots of artificial intelligence itself, tracing its lineage to the fundamental principles upon which AI was initially conceived and developed. In the initial stages of AI integration, the applications were relatively rudimentary, primarily focusing on strategic planning and logistical operations. These operations were crucial to military proceedings, laying the groundwork for future developments in the field. The significance elementary applications cannot be overstated, as they served as the foundation upon which the AI empire was built. The automated planning system, developed in the 90s, served as a major breakthrough in this journey. This system represented a significant stride forward in military technology, streamlining operations, reducing human errors, drastically improving efficiency. It marked the beginning of a new era in military operations, a watershed moment that showed the world the unrealized potential of integrating AI into military strategy. Post this breakthrough, the role of AI in the military has grown exponentially. The advancements in AI technology have been monumental, transforming every aspect of military strategy and operations, from intelligent drones capable of executing precise strikes without collateral damage to predictive analytics that can forecast potential threats and conflicts. The influence of AI in the military field is undeniably profound. In recent times, there have been numerous discussions about the ethical implications of using artificial intelligence in warfare. These discussions raise crucial questions about the lines that we, as a society, are willing to cross in the name of progress. Despite these debates, it's clear that the technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, bringing us closer to a future where AI soldiers could be a reality. The prospect of AI soldiers brings forth a new paradigm in military strategy. This paradigm shift involves the replacement of human soldiers with sophisticated AI programs. These programs can analyze vast amounts of data, make decisions in fractions of a second, and execute operations with unparalleled precision. The battlefield of the future may not be a physical landscape, but a digital one. This digital landscape would be home to AI soldiers engaging each other in combat. These AI soldiers would not be limited by constraints, capable of outmaneuvering human soldiers and executing strategies beyond human comprehension. The soldier of the future may not be a person, but a sophisticated AI program, and the battlefield may be a digital landscape where these AI soldiers engage in combat. As technology advanced, so did the role of AI in the military. The advent of artificial intelligence brought a transformation in warfare, evolving from a tool for strategic planning to an active participant on the battlefield. This change didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual process marked by crucial milestones. In the beginning, AI was utilized for strategic planning, data analysis, and simulation exercises, playing a vital role in decision-making processes. But as AI matured, so did its capabilities. The creation of autonomous drones was a significant turning point. These unmanned machines, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, have been instrumental in reconnaissance missions, providing real-time data and intelligence. However, their role didn't end with surveillance. Some drones were equipped with combat functions, allowing them to engage targets with a level of precision previously unattainable. In 2023, we saw a monumental moment in AI warfare. The US military tested artificial intelligence in piloting a fighter jet, the X-62A Vista, a modified F-16. The AI not only successfully controlled the aircraft, but also engaged in simulated combat, showing its potential for use in air-to-air battles. This marked a significant shift. AI was expanding beyond strategic planning roles and unmanned vehicles and was now capable of piloting complex machinery. Yet this evolution brings significant ethical dilemmas. When an AI-controlled drone engages a target, who is held responsible? What if the AI fails or gets hacked? Addressing these questions is crucial as we navigate this groundbreaking era of warfare. The integration of AI in active combat places us at the cusp of a new age in warfare. The boundary between man and machine is becoming increasingly obscure, and the rules of engagement are being redefined. One thing is evident as we continue to test the limits of AI. The face of warfare is changing, and it's changing fast. As we gaze into the future, the potential for AI in the military seems limitless. We're at the precipice of a new era, where war and defense are not just commanded by soldiers, but by binary codes and algorithms. The ongoing research and development in this field are rapidly transforming the traditional concept of warfare, presenting a canvas of possibilities that seem as if taken straight from a science fiction novel. Yet this is reality. We're no longer just visualizing the potential of AI in warfare, we're witnessing it. The battlefield of tomorrow is being shaped today, transformed by AI-driven autonomy. AI takes the conventional battlefield and morphs it into an arena of high-tech combat. Efficiency and precision are valued above all else. Imagine fighter jets, not piloted by humans but by artificial intelligence. These AI-piloted jets would engage in air-to-air combat, executing pre-prescribed flight maneuvers with an unparalleled degree of accuracy. The human factor, with its propensity for errors, is eliminated. This is not conjecture, but the reality of projects like the Air Force Research Laboratories and DARPA's air combat evolution. In the hands of the military, AI's capabilities extend far beyond simply being platforms for surveillance and combat. The value of AI lies in its potential for strategic decision-making, risk assessment, and programming assistance. It is being seen as a tool that can revolutionize how the strategizes and operates. Companies like Palantir are already harnessing the power of AI, translating this potential into reality. Their success serves as a testament to AI's potential to drive future growth in the military sector. It attests to the profound changes AI can bring to military strategy, operations, and tactics. Yet, as we stand on the cusp of this AI-driven era, a critical consideration surfaces: the implications for warfare, ethics, and international relations. AI has the power to change not only how we fight wars, but how we perceive them. How will AI alter the rules of engagement? Will it make warfare more or less humane? These are profound questions that nations and their militaries must grapple with. They must weigh the benefits against the potential risks, the revolutionary changes against the ethical considerations. Because as we continue to explore the potential of AI, we must also grapple with the profound questions it raises for warfare and society at large. Future of AI in the military is not just about technology. It's about people, ethics, and the future of our world. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, we must also grapple with the profound questions it raises. Today we've journeyed through the history of AI in the military, from its beginnings to the present. We've seen AI rise as a transformational tool, from Palantir's first profits showing AI's real potential, to AI's emerging role in simulated air combat. We've glimpsed the future with AI advancements like ChatGPT-style AI, which creates human-like content, and its possible uses in the military. But the AI journey is far from over. Its proliferation in warfare shows our ceaseless quest for progress. As we step into the unknown, it's essential to discuss the ethical aspects of AI in warfare. How can we ensure the tool we created, AI, doesn't turn into a threat? How can we prevent AI misuse in the military? These are critical questions that need constant revisiting. As we navigate an uncertain future, one thing is clear: the role of AI in the military will persistently shape our world. Thanks for watching the AI Made Movies channel. If you like movies like this, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to be notified when new movies are uploaded. And enjoy the fascinating world of AI.